this is Yanni from Kingleon. Today I will show you our gaming speaker. This is our 2.0 computer speaker with RGB backlight called V2BT. Look, the appearance of the speaker is like computer case. It shoots for the simple fashionable style, and you can see that the speaker with RGB backlight, the lighting is flashing. It's different from the blazing backlight. That's really cool. The speaker supports AUX mode, Bluetooth mode, and FM mode. Let me show you how to use it. The speaker is with the volume and power button. Easy to adjust the volume.
AUX mode.
Long press this button, volume up. Long press this button, volume down. Press this button twice. You can turn off the backlight. Let's enjoy the music in AUX mode. V2BT is equipped with advanced 2.5-inch drive unit, which offers you superior, clear, and rich sound. And because of the air vibration, the speaker can make you enjoy 3D stereo sound. The speaker supports the Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Next song. It also supports the FM mode.
FM mode.
广东省在过去一天的疫情最新通报，根据广东省卫健委的消息，3月8日本土确诊病例7例，其中1例为无症状感染者转确诊。
Long press this button. Power off.
Power off.
Long press this button. Power on.
AUX mode.
Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please contact us.